हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। आई होप यू विल बी फाइन एंड हेल्दी एंड कीप्स रिवाइजिंग योर सिलेबस। फ्रेंड्स, एनसीईआरटी ऐसी बुक है जिसको आप बार बार पढ़ेंगे बार बार भूल जाएंगे, क्योंकि उसमें फैक्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा हैं। सो अगर आप उस टॉपिक पर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन की प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं तो वो चीज़ें आपकी पक्की हो जाएंगी और भूलेंगी नहीं। सो इस सेशन को अटेम्प्ट कीजिए और कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइए कितने क्वेश्चन आपके सही हुए। और पीडीएफ पाने के लिए हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन कीजिए, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है। वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। Cambial ring cuts off new cells A towards inner side only, B towards outer side only, C towards inner and outer side both, D along its own axis. Correct answer is option C, towards inner and outer side both. Next, Cambial ring cuts off new cells A towards pith called secondary phloem, B towards pith called secondary cambium, C towards pith called secondary medullary rays, D towards pith called secondary xylem. Correct answer is option D, towards pith called secondary xylem. Next, cambial ring cut off A more cells on outer side, B more cells on inner side, C equal cells on both sides, D cells randomly. Correct answer is option B, more cells on inner side. Next, secondary medullary rays are A narrow bands of parenchyma, B narrow bands of meristem, C wide bands of parenchyma, D wide bands of meristem. Correct answer is option A, narrow bands of parenchyma. Next, which of these is correct about activity of cambial ring? A secondary xylem crushes primary xylem, B secondary xylem crushes primary phloem, C secondary xylem crushes secondary phloem, D both B and C. Correct answer is option D, both B and C. Next, activity of cambium is under control of A physiological factors, B environmental factors, C both A and B, D depend on season only. Correct answer is option C, both A and B. Next, in spring cambium produce A less xylem elements having vessels with wider cavities, B more xylem elements having vessels with wider cavities, C less xylem elements having vessels with narrow cavities, D more xylem elements having vessels with narrow cavities. Correct answer is option B, more xylem elements having vessels with wider cavities. Next, annual rings are constituted by A alternate concentric ring of 3 types of woods, B continuous concentric rings of 3 types of wood, C alternate concentric rings of 2 types of wood, D continuous concentric rings of 2 types of woods. Correct answer is option C, alternate concentric rings of 2 types of woods. Next, hardwood is A light in color, B dark in color, C alternately light and dark in color, D none of these. Correct answer is option B, dark in color. Next, phellogen is made of A narrow thick walled meristematic cells, B narrow thin walled parenchyma, C narrow thick walled parenchyma, D narrow thin walled meristem. Correct answer is option D, narrow thin walled meristem. Next, phellogens cuts A cork on inner side and phelloderm on outside, B phellem on inner and secondary cortex on outside, C bark on outside and secondary cortex on inside, D phellem on outside and phelloderm on inside. Correct answer is option D, phellem on outside and phelloderm on inside. Next, cork is impervious to water due to A lignin, B suberin, C keratin, D cellulose. Correct answer is option B, suberin. Next, bark includes A secondary xylem and periderm, B secondary phloem and periderm, C pericycle and vascular cambium, D pith and stele. Correct answer is option B, secondary phloem and periderm. Next, phelloderm is A parenchymatous, B collenchymatous, C sclerenchymatous, D meristematic. Correct answer is option A, parenchymatous. Next, lenticels are A circle shaped, B rectangular, C lens shaped, D polygonal shaped. Correct answer is option C, lens shaped. Next, in sunflower root, vascular cambium is originated from tissues A. below phloem bundle, B. of pericycle, C. of interfascicular cambium, D. both A and B. Correct answer is option D, both A and B. Next, secondary growth does not occur in A. gymnosperm stem, B. gymnosperm root, C. monocot, D. all of these. Correct answer is option C, monocot.